homework we did was defining x and y, and then we plugged it in our calculator. The original expression gave us this fraction, letter C gave us this fraction, and we turned in our warm-up, which is awesome. Now, what we are doing today is calculator scatter plot, okay? We've, in this class, done, look at a scatter plot, what is it? That's identifying, that's great. But if you're given a table, can you get a scatter plot in your calculator and then tell me what kind of function it is, okay? So that's what we're doing today. So you should by now know that on these notes, you could like zone out and just read it and figure out what we're supposed to do today. This stuff teaches itself. Y'all could teach this, you know what I'm saying? But we're going to go through this step by step. Step 1, 2, 3, and 4. Can you turn on your calculator? Go to a new document. Go to a spreadsheet and label X and Y at the top. That's step 1 through 4. I'm going to do it with you right here. Okay. New document. So every single person is going to be doing this because I'm going to walk down the aisle and see every single person doing it. Did you just get here? Did you just get here? Okay. Well, okay. That's not going to change your attendance unless I know you just got here and you have a pass or something. Okay. Okay. So here we go. You should be at a new spreadsheet and you want to label X and Y at the top. Okay, so can everybody get to this point for me, please? If you're already there, then flip over your notes. You're going to put in this table into your notes. Okay, so again, go ahead and put in that table into your notes from the back of the notes page, okay? These people were not here at the beginning of class. And the note sheet. There you go. And then we turn that in over there. Yes. So, I'm so smart. Okay, I'm going to start typing in on the back page of the notes this table. There we go. -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 6. Okay. Now, this is what we've been doing, okay? We've been doing spreadsheets, getting them up to this point, but we've been doing regression, okay? But today we're not doing a regression. You want to put it away? Today we're going to do a scatter plot. So you can see it on the notes, but what are we going to press here? Step 6 says we're going to press menu 3-9, okay? 3 is data, 9 is quick graph. We want to get a quick graph, okay? So did everybody type in the table? Now you can hit menu 3-9. Cool? What? Block? What does that mean? Oh, it won't let you? Okay, hold on. Let me try it. Menu 3-9. It should look like that. If it doesn't, let me know, okay? X and Y at the top. Okay. So real quick, look right here. When you hit menu 3-9, it's going to put the points in the wrong spot. I don't know why, but for some reason, this is what it wants to do. These next two steps are very important. So everyone's looking right here. Okay. Look at me in my eyes. Okay. Look right here. Okay. Now look right here. This needs to say X, and this needs to say Y. Okay. So here's what we're going to do. You're going to use your touchpad. Okay, and you're going to kind of touchpad over here, so check it out. Using your touchpad, you're going to go all the way down to the very bottom, right here. You see where it says, well, when you hover over, it says click or enter. So I'm going to click it on the very bottom, and then you need to click X. You doing this with us? Okay. Turned off. Why does mine keep turning off? Now, so check it out. When you click X, it's going to line them up. That's nice. But then you need to come over here to the middle on this Y-axis, and you need to click right around here in the middle, click, and you need to click Y. For some reason, you have to label, it's kind of like when you do a regression. X has to be X, Y has to be Y. Same thing here on a scatter plot. X-axis needs to be X, Y-axis needs to be Y. Once you do that, you can see that these points follow a path that is what function? There's a name for this thing, or the type of function that makes this figure quadratic. Okay, so everybody, this little picture that we get is quadratic. Do you see how that works? You get the data, you press these buttons, do this stuff, it gives you a scatter plot, and with that scatter plot, you can then tell me what it is. Okay. Now, real quick, do you want to know how to get rid of the scatter plot so you can not have to start all over? Okay. So if you're on the, click over here on the scatter plot. Okay. Now, if you know another way, I'm down to hear it. But this is what I heard. If you hit Control K delete, it'll get rid of this right half. So let's try that. Control K delete. Ta-da. Okay. Then all you got to do is fill in the new table and do the next problem. Okay. Which we're going to do at the bottom of this page. So there's 4 examples, sample examples. I want you to try number 1 on the bottom. Type in the table, and then there's a little rectangle for you to do a little sketch. And then tell me what function it is, okay? So I'm going to come around, hold on, I'm going to come around and see all of y'all doing number 1 before you go anywhere, and then we're going to go over them together, but I'm going to come see everyone's calculator, so everyone should be pressing these buttons, okay? No, there's a backtrack. Okay. I'm going to pass out your assignment. So those are 2 examples from the notes that we just went over. Number 1 was linear. Number 1 is quadratic. Number 2 is linear positive. Okay? Thank you. Now, I'm passing out the actual assignment, which I'm guessing you may not be able to finish all of it. I wanted a quiz on Monday, but we'll probably just have to have time to finish this instead. So lucky y'all. But I'm going to go over the other notes problems number 3 and 4 after I pass this out. Okay. So. Yes. Really. Don't be done. Okay. So we're gonna go over 3 and 4 real quick. So on number 3, if I hit again Control K delete. Gets rid of that. I'm going to change these numbers to 0.3, 1, 3, 10, 26, and 80. Okay. Menu 3, 9. X must be X. Y must be Y. So, number 3 is what? Exponential. Again, this one curves and bottoms out. Okay, well, we're still on number 3. So, be nice. So, this is exponential. Again, excuse my handwriting because it's hard to write on this thing. And again, Control K, delete, gets rid of the split screen. So, let's go ahead and type this one in. Menu 3, 9, X must be X, and Y must be Y. Okay. Did I mess something up? Oh, it's negative 52. My bad. Okay. So, this is mostly linear negative correlation, okay? Linear negative. So, that assignment I just gave you, you want to do that as long as you finish the 2 from earlier this week. And that'll be what we're doing today, and that will spill into next week as well.